Not too much, but
Where you from? What do you do? Where you from? What do you do?
I'm from New York, but I do a political show,
Il
fight
fait
dictators in the Middle
il
East.
fait show politique. Il fait show politique. Monsieur, il y a des gens qui regardent. Ça veut dire, voilà, monsieur puissant. On va parler des pays. You
Where
do
you
politics show. You do politics show, right?
Yeah, fighting dictators in the Middle East.
Easy la bataille avec dictateur dans le Middle East là. Très bien. Nous croisons bien, je ne veux contrer. Listen.
Go ahead.
I'm from Haiti. You know about you? Do you know Haiti?
Yeah, I know Haiti, and I used to have some friends from Haiti.
Il y a des amis à Haïti.
They are good
So
guys.
are you a journalist?
Journalist? No, I'm a regular guy. Just try to fight, do something for people. Cannot.
Il dit
talk.
son monde qui bataille pour monde qui pas parler. Listen. If you're fighting for people that does not have ability to talk, you need to fight for Haiti because we need help.
Oh, wow.
Me dit monsieur saisi.
You still have a dictators over there?
Bon Dieu pas quitter mourir. Il m'a dit que nous gagne directeur en Haïti. Guys, choix triste, choix gen moment n'a bon plaisir mais gen moment tout côté ces pays n'a défendre. Ta pour t'arracher. Listen. You see Haiti?
I know.
That's the flag. We are the first black country. Listen, we are the first black country and independent in the world.
I have some show now, right now in YouTube because
Haiti, right? The situation of Haiti, right?
no, what I mean, the songs and the music and
Yes, I understand.
the
Listen.
copyright, because the copyright. That's it.
Okay, listen. I want you to talk for Haiti. I want you to talk for my country. And I want you to tell the people from everywhere in the world that Haiti need help. We need help because most of the government all over the world, they are destroying my country. They are destroying the culture of Haiti. They keep us like this. And we cannot talk. We want to be happy. We want to be free.
How is the White House do with Haiti right now?
Qui sa maison blanche a fait pour Haïti? Je vais montrer mon dans politique. I don't know about this. I don't know about this, but all I want to know, we need help. We need help. We need the help of America. We need help of France, Canada, England. We need help everywhere. We want to have a beautiful